Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove background in Capcut PC. So first of all, you have to open up your Capcut PC application. On your application, first of all, you have to click on import and then import the photo or video of which you want to remove the background. Once your video is imported and present in your timeline, what you have to do is that you have to click on your photo or your video. Then, by default, the basic section will be opened in front of you. So now, what you have to do is that you have to click on cutout. Once you click on cutout, you will see an option that says auto cutout. So now, you simply have to check mark this option. Once you check mark it, you will see that the background of your photo or your video is now removed in Capcut. So for example, you want to add a different background, you very simply have to drag that background in your timeline, then place your photo above it. So now as you can see, by doing this, I have easily removed the background of my picture or my video and then replaced it with a new one. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe